All right, so for this week, we only have class ones. I know a lot of you are really broken up about that and you'll miss this class. Um, but for the one day that we do have class, we're going to focus on finishing up our discussion board. We're going to finish The Great Gatsby. With the closing of The Great Gatsby, instead of a quiz, you have a short writing assignment on how you feel about The Great Gatsby. And this can be anything on relating the Great Gatsby to the American Dream, the overall story, the characters. What did you think about the ending? Once you have done those things for this class, I would like you to go, um, to Schmoop and complete the punctuation drill on dashes. I would like you to take a screenshot of your score, and if you missed any of the problems, I want you to go through and write down why you missed the ones you did and what the rule or the correct rule you should have followed was. There are videos included on Wednesday's module that go over the rules for dashes. If you have more questions, feel free to join in on the Zoom meeting for that day. Other than that, that's all we have going on for our one class period that we have this week. So if you guys have questions, feel free to reach out to me. It's the start of a quarter, so missing an assignment can really hurt your grade. Don't make that mistake. Well, anyway, good luck. If you have more questions, please ask.